Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2011 Ford Mondeo wagon LX. This shape ran from the 9th month 2007 to the 12th month 2014. This vehicle sustained damage to the left hand side. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Front bumper cover. Front grille. Right-hand headlight. Left-hand headlight. Left-hand front guard. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Left-hand front door. Left-hand taillight. Left-hand taillight garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand taillight garnish. Right-hand taillight. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 16-inch steel wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand rear door. Right-hand front door. Factory 16-inch steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. The driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey and black cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid. Tidy handbrake lever. Tidy automatic transmission gear lever. Tidy automatic transmission center console. Factory AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Tidy left hand sun visor. Tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder. Tidy right hand sun visor. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.